Do you want to know why the next wave of millionaires will come from crypto in 2026? Are you tired of working harder every year but falling further behind financially? In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how smart investors are using crypto to build wealth. Not gamble using Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. This isn't hype. This is strategy, timing, and positioning. Welcome to Modern Money with Jaylen Brooks, where we talk about building wealth the smart way. Before we start, hi, my name is Jaylen Brooks with Modern Money, and I would like to thank you for stopping by to build wealth with us. If you find value here, please help us by simply clicking the like and subscribe button. And before we start, know that one step in the right direction can change the rest of your life. Today we will uncover how millionaires will be made in crypto, how to prepare and position yourself to win. No hype, no gimmicks, just truth. Not because people got lucky, but because they understood asymmetric opportunity. Crypto offers early access to emerging technology, global adoption, scarcity, exponential growth potential. This is the same opportunity early internet investors had, but most people missed it. Bitcoin is the foundation. It has a fixed supply of 21 million coins, growing institutional adoption and ETFs and long-term holders reducing supply. Major financial institutions now treat Bitcoin as digital gold. Many long-term projections place Bitcoin well into six-figure territory over time. This is driven by scarcity, demand, and global adoption. Bitcoin is not a gamble. It's a long-term wealth anchor. Ethereum is where innovation happens. It powers smart contracts, decentralized finance, tokenized assets, and digital identity systems. Ethereum isn't just a coin, it's financial infrastructure. As more applications move on-chain, Ethereum grows with them. That's why many high net worth investors see Ethereum as a growth engine inside their portfolio. XRP plays a different role. It focuses on cross-border payments, banking infrastructure, and institutional settlement systems. While retail debates XRP, institutions quietly test and integrate blockchain payment rails. XRP is not about hype. It's about real-world financial use cases. That's why strategic investors include it for diversification and for the future of payment with digital assets. Here's what separates winners from losers. They diversify Bitcoin for stability, Ethereum for growth, XRP for infrastructure. They dollar cost average small, consistent buys, no emotional decisions. They think long-term wealth is built in years, not weeks. They protect their capital security, education, and patience. Crypto becomes dangerous when treated like a lottery and powerful when treated like a strategy. Crypto won't make everyone rich, but history shows that early adoption creates outsized returns. Also, infrastructure assets compound over time, and scarcity plus demand equals growth. This is not financial advice. This is financial education. The biggest risk isn't crypto volatility, it's doing nothing while the system changes. If this video made you think differently about money, subscribe to Modern Money. We drop weekly videos on credit, business, income, and wealth building, so you can stop guessing and start moving with confidence. And comment below, what's the one thing about money no one ever explained to you? Thank you for stopping by today. If you want more content on building wealth, investing smart, and using modern money strategies, comment below which asset you believe in most, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or XRP. Also, my Patreon provide inside tools and hacks to help build wealth. If you found any value here, please subscribe to this channel. This is Modern Money with Jaylen Brooks. I'm here to provide you value that will increase your finances. Please like and share the video with someone who wants to build a better financial future. Please remember, one moment of effort becomes a lifetime of change.